so many olive oils. How do you know which one to get and what to look for? And that's what I'm going to tell you about right now. Let's start with what extra virgin is. Extra virgin means that that olive oil that's in that bottle is not heat treated, it's not treated with chemicals, it was first press, it's a better olive oil all around. So if you're going to look for anything, look for extra virgin. Within extra virgin there's some differences, but look for extra virgin. The other thing to let you know is light olive oil doesn't exist, doesn't happen. Light just means it's been heat treated, they've taken flavor out, they've taken color out, and you might as well buy a less expensive, more neutral oil, because that's kind of what you're getting in that bottle. You need to make sure that it either comes in a dark glass or a metal container. Good olive oil never comes in a clear bottle. And the great thing is you can always tell on the back of a label where those olives were grown, not just where it was bottled. So there's country codes to look for. This one was Estonia and Spain, you know, and it doesn't say Italian, which is good. This came from Italy, from my travels there. It was really fun. California makes olive oils. This is from a great winery that I love. And now you know how to read about olive oil, and you know how to find a good one.